In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom invoices or drafts in the system. So this is going to help you create custom orders for your users. So to do that, I'm in my orders section of the system right now, and I'm going to navigate to drafts over here on the left-hand side. To add a draft, I'm going to click Add Your First Draft. I'm then going to choose the contact that I would like to create this draft for, and then I'm going to hit Save. So from here, I can start building out this draft, adding products to it. So if I've got this customer on a call and we're adding things to this draft, I can go ahead and do that. I can add a product and I can choose which product I want to add, but I can also go ahead and add a custom item. So I can add an item here, and I'm going to say my custom item, and we'll give it a price of, let's say, $200. You can also choose to make this a subscription if you want, and you can customize those subscription settings here as well. So if you want to create a custom payment plan for a user, you can do that by enabling the subscription settings in the draft here. But I'm going to go ahead and say, no, it's not a subscription, and I'm going to go ahead and hit Save. So now I've got those two products that I have created. I can then go ahead and send this invoice link off to my customer by clicking Send Invoice Link. By clicking Send Invoice Link, I will then send it off to, it's from me. And I'll send that off to Bob, send that link, and then that invoice is going to be sent off to Bob's inbox. He can review it and then make the payment. So let's go ahead and just quickly capture Bob's billing details so that he can make a payment. So we've got our billing details over here. I'm just going to edit this, make sure that all of the information is filled in, and we're going to hit Save. Now I can come here to my actions and I can go ahead and collect that payment. So my user has agreed. Cool. That sounds good. Let's go ahead and make the payment. I can collect that payment, choose which method it is, and record that payment here. So now that order has been created and I have collected that payment. So that is how you can go ahead and use drafts to make sales in your business. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create custom quotes for your users. I'll see you there.